Most people don't realize this, but your Android phone comes with many tracking features switched on from day one. Some of them collect how you use your phone, what you search, where you go, and even how you type. The good news is you can turn these off in just a few minutes. We're going to do everything directly inside the settings menu. If any part of this video helped you, please show some love by like the video and leave a sweet comment. So first, friends, go to your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and go to privacy. Then open Permission Manager or App Permissions. Now, dear friends, tap on Microphone. The microphone setting allows apps or your phone to hear your voice. You can turn it on or off for privacy and to control sound recording easily. For apps that are not necessary, so make sure don't allow access. Now, friends, the next step, which is very important, is to go to Main Settings. Then go to Google. From here, friends, select the account that you use daily. Open Manage your Google account. Go to Data and Privacy. Once you are here, find Location History. When Location History is turned on, it keeps a record of every place you visit. This can track your movements, reduce your privacy, and allow personal data to be collected. Now, friends, select Location History. From here, turn Location History off. Friends, now we come to the settings that you should definitely disable. Go back to Data and Privacy. From here, select Web and App Activity. When Web and App Activity is on, your searches, browsing, and app usage are tracked. This reduces your privacy and allows your personal data to be collected. Make sure this is disabled. After disabling all these settings, you are still missing one thing. Go back to Google. From here, go to All Services. Now scroll down and go to Ads. When ads are on, your searches, interests, and activity are analyzed to show personalized ads. This decreases your privacy and increases tracking. So make sure that all options related to ads are disabled.